Yep.
China CP summary of the spring 2012. The CP helps China grow into the maritime power. China's growth in this field leads to the bridging gap between China and the Western marine powers, which should be the central issue here at this point. China as a whole, if it in fact leads aquaculture, will bridge the gap between China and the Western marine powers, leading to more diplomatic relations and the continuation of soft power, meaning that China as a whole will be more influential in this world and will be able to benefit those in need. The fact that they didn't answer a CP means that it still stands. As we said before, the permutation seeing that China and the United States working together is in fact unfeasible, seeing that China and the United States share different views on the same topic, meaning that the two countries will never be able to agree, and therefore this will never be able to be carried out. However, as we already said, there are more benefits to China to carrying out aquaculture than the United States because it bridges the gap between China and Western marine powers. Moving on to the DA. As we said, funding for Cassini is barely surviving now. Congress may probably never pass a proposed budget for Cassini, meaning that America's STEM leadership is at risk. Not only that, to summarize our November 14 evidence, if NASA funding is reduced, which will happen if you do the plan, then Cassini will go on the chopping block. If Cassini is on the chopping block, then it endangers the United States' STEM program. The United States' STEM program will help the world because it encourages welfare and the stability of countries and requires a concerted effort by the developed world to address casual factors. It helps climate change, energy and water shortages, public health emergencies, environmental degradation, poverty, food insecurity, and religious extremism, which basically leads me on to say that if we carry on aquaculture as a whole, then it will cut off the United States' STEM program, meaning that it would be easier for climate change, energy and water shortages, public health emergencies, and many more of these catastrophes to escalate. This impact outweighs everything that they've said so far. And to summarize the MAH00026 board evidence, Plan spends a lot of money in funding for space and sea exploration. The fact that the two fields are at constant combat. The fact that the two fields are always constantly at combat competition for money. The fact that we are favoring aquaculture over STEM leadership basically leads to the destruction of the United States' power and soft power as a whole. This judge is why you should vote for the NEG.